The live session is broadcasting on 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹 live channel and 𝗗𝗶𝘀's YouTube channel simultaneously. Welcome all to watch and please leave your opinions or questions about market, coin, etc. in the comment and our guests will pick up some to answer. So let's go on. Welcome Dylan, Boris, Jay, and Tango. Tango maybe will come later. And welcome you all to our live session. And before our discussion officially start, let me introduce a very special guest today. So, hey, how would you like to introduce yourself a little bit to our audience because you're a new one? So, briefly introduce yourself. It's okay.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm so happy to be here. Thank you for having me. My name is Lonely. Today I'm here just for learning something like and also share my experience to everybody. In this crypto industry, a couple years already. Also I got some experience like in the previous in the major exchange. So today, I think Cheryl asked for me to speak something. So again, like yeah, I'm good. So everybody, how's it going? Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
thank
nice.
you very
Yeah, nice to meet you.
much. Hey, Dylan. Thank you very much, Lonnie. And as a new blood here, we're really thrilled to have you here. Looking forward what you will discuss with us. And yeah, welcome all to our live session, and happy to have you here with us today. So let's come to our the segment about market review and gainer loser coins. So in this part, we'd like our guests to point out the top three performing and underperforming cryptocurrencies of the week. Additionally, we also kindly request market insights on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies you want to talk about. So please be free to share the screen and let us watch your charts. So who wanna be the first one to share?
Okay, yeah, I'll go first.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Let me just share my screen.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. So the first coin I want to go over is Near. So this Near's up around about 40% this week already, and what I've been watching for Near, it hasn't really been moving that much, but we've had quite a nice breakout this week, and we are coming to a very, very important level for Near right about around here. So I would expect rejection from the zone at around about 5.5. But if the weekly candle closes above like 5.5, 5.7, then we might see a push back up to like 11 or 12. But it's been quite bullish the last couple of weeks. We haven't had any red candles, so I am expecting near to retrace. But yeah, it's been a really, really strong coin this week, and this is something that I would watch. So like if you did, buy on spot, I would look to maybe take out some profits over here because I am seeing, especially for Bitcoin, I'll go over Bitcoin just now, but there may be a bit of a retracement that's going to happen very, very soon. Okay, so that's near. The next coin I want to go over is GRT. So GRT, I don't know if I spoke about this, but in the my Telegram group, we actually did buy this on spot. This was the target at like 0.34. It actually just hit it within today. So yeah, I ended up just taking profit over here. But if GRT does manage to close above this level, then we can see another push back up to these levels. But overall, I am expecting a rejection within the next week or so. Ethereum's at like 3,800, Bitcoin's retested 69K. So yeah, I'm expecting a retracement very, very soon. I'm not too sure when it's going to happen, but most of these altcoins that are popping off, like Shiba and all these meme coins like Pepe, Floki, um, yeah, you just have to be careful with buying them on spot now because the thing is they've pumped so much, so you kind of have to go to other coins and other sectors in order to try find something that's gonna actually go up. But yeah, so overall, AI coins are doing well, like GRT. And I quickly want to go over Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I am semi bearish on Bitcoin at the moment, just because I actually didn't. I removed all my drawings here, but Bitcoin has been getting rejected within today from this level. For me, on the 4 hour and the daily time frame, it is looking like it might continue and retest these highs, but the lower time frames are suggesting that there might be a retracement. So I am in a short for Ethereum and actually XRP because I am expecting a retracement within today. You can see that price can't close back above 67 500, which is the previous resistance. So I'm expecting price to come back down and maybe retest 65,800 within the short term. This would be the short term support for Bitcoin at 65,800. If price manages to close below there, then we may see price come back down to these levels at like 62K. Yeah, so I'm quite bearish on the day. I do think that we might see a retracement within today and maybe tomorrow. But yeah, tomorrow is actually NFP, right? So non-farm payrolls, it brings a lot of volatility into the market. So we just have to be careful with that. And then for Ethereum, same thing with Ethereum, right? It's still getting rejected from this previous resistance over here at like 38K. I mean 3,800. I was waiting for price to close above there on the 4 hour with it today, but we actually haven't got that. We've just been rejecting from 3,800 the whole day. So the next key level is 3,700, 37,117. So this level over here is something that I'll be looking at. I am in a short from this high over here. So I'm expecting price to come down today. You can see the whole day we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 candles, 10 1 hour candles have been rejecting from this level. So it shows that this is a very, very strong resistance. And in order for price to carry on going up, we need to see price actually start closing above there, right? So yeah, I'm quite bearish on the day. And then same with XRP, quite bearish on XRP. It broke structure, but yeah, I'm waiting for a pullback because the thing is, there's a lot of coins you can see like on the monthly chart. All these coins are pretty much, most of them are above 50%. So I would not suggest looking at spot now if you guys are looking for spot because the thing is we will get a retracement. Okay, it might not happen now, it might not happen today, it might not happen in 2 weeks time, but we will get a retracement. And once that happens, that's when you should be buying, and that's going to be probably the last retracement we're going to have before Bitcoin actually starts exploding. So yeah, so if you guys are having FOMO right now, don't worry. There will be a retracement. You don't have to stress about that. The market doesn't just go up continuously. It goes up and then retraces. It goes up and retraces. So yeah, that's something I'm looking at. I am quite bearish on the day. We'll see what happens, but yeah, overall, I mean, it's still bullish. Like Bitcoin's at 60K. Obviously, it's bullish, but we do need to start thinking about how far this retracement can take us down. So yeah, that's what I have.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Dylan. It's very comprehensive. Yeah. And a lot of people say we are in a bull market, but actually another people said it just has been a warm up, and it will have how to say pullback recently. So how do you think, Lonnie?
I'm sorry, what was that?
I mean,
Is pullback?
yeah.
Yeah,
Do you think this is the real bull market, or it's just a warm up, or will happen the pullback later?
Good question. But first thing first, I think I totally agree with like dating something sharing on the chart. Um I to me, to be honest, I think the pullback is coming soon. So
Yeah,
why? Because like when we back to the days, so the last time the boom market, so I remember it's it's trying to break the boundary 19,000 something, but in the first time, it didn't make it happen, and just pull back and back to 15,000 something and being a wow. And users think, okay, everybody's waiting for under the 10,000 at that moment. I'm pretty sure. And but when everybody is waiting for that, just directly trying to break the boundary again. But after they break the boundary, they're just like all the way to the moon. So right now, I think as a previous experience, I think the pullback will be coming. And also, you see recently the meme coins, and also lots of altcoins that pumping so hard. Um, for somehow it doesn't make any sense. And what's more is a couple days ago, when the BTC price like trying to break the boundary, reach all-time high, but it fails. The emotions by the users, I think it's still in the FOMO. Back to topic, I think right now we are in the bull market, but I think we're still at the beginning in this bull market. We still need to waiting for the BTC try to break the all-time high again.
Yeah.
But nobody's know it gonna like directly break the boundary or not. We don't know. But if we make that happen, I think the price will all the way up because there's no pressures above the 69,000, right? So let's wait. So to me, right now I just short. I have some short positions. So yeah, so yeah, that's my opinions.
Thank you
Okay,
very much,
no
Lonnie.
problem.
Thank you. Okay. Uh, Really, yeah, that is what you're talking about. Agree with your standpoints, and we will discuss more on our discussion part. Actually, our first question is about whether this is a bull market, and we'll have a lot of deeply discussion on it. But thank you and thanks a lot. So, who wanna share next, Boris or Jay? Boris, you're not open your mic.
Yeah, go ahead. I
Oh,
think
Jay.
Sorry,
no, go ahead.
sorry.
Boris.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So the top coins I'm looking at are definitely some of the AI tokens. So I'm looking at RNDR, which is just continuing to make like new highs even after this pullback on Tuesday. From Tuesday, it's up like already up like 70%, which is crazy. So yeah, good chart. And then we have fetch.ai. This one is also just making new highs despite the pullback on Tuesday. So from Tuesday's pullback, it's already up over 100%. So that's really insane. And then also FTM. I don't think it's an AI token, but it's still a very well-performing asset this week. So from Tuesday's pullback, it's already up 50%. So yeah, those are definitely my top three coins for this week. Pretty short and simple. And they're probably gonna keep making new highs because they're basically like in blue sky. Oh no, this one isn't, but the AI tokens are like in blue sky breakout mode, so they'll probably continue to push to the upside.
Okay. So is that all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, those are
Thank
the top three.
Okay, thank you very much, Boris. Yeah, AI token we are really looking forward, and then we believe that AI or GameFi will be the new narrative for this bull market, probably. And when we're talking about AI or GameFi, we have to invite Jay to share with us because he's a really professional item in this area. So, hi, Jay.
Hi. Okay, let me share my screen. I got not much to share this week. I've been sidelined because the market is not that good. Can you guys see my screen right now? Is it? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, right
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can see my trading view.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good because I'm good. Okay. First, I'm gonna talk about Bitcoin. Uh, I got I got three probabilities on Bitcoin. First, we break and we hold, but this is tricky, guys. When we break this area, so let's say on the daily, this has to be hold uh, 7 days at least. So one weekly candle. If we break this all-time high, but if we break and then like dump, so that's not valid. That's gonna be bad. So right now I'm kind of bearish. I'm agree with the other guys, and tomorrow we have 𝗗𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗺𝗏𝗶𝗺, and then like on Sunday we got new moon. So which is Sun? Yeah, this one, this blue line, we got new moon. And I also already count like one of my strategy that I call blackjack. So that's like a reversal for local top and bottom. And I already got the king card. So where's the S? So the S I think I'm gonna know by tomorrow and Sunday by the price action. I can know like, are we gonna dump? Are we gonna pump? I can know because like the non-farm barrel is the trend is so long, so the trend can last long 3-5 days. There's some catch if we don't have some fundamental news like bad news or good news. So if if we break the upside, so the upside it is. If we break the downside, so downside it is. So that's why like I've been sidelined, but I keep longing on BTC, but I'm just scalping. But but it's been sideways. If you see on 15 minutes, sideways all the time. At 4 hour, look at that, sideways. And that's why like if this not play out, if we cannot get another pump today, I think I'm gonna close my long. But I'm not seriously like today I took the long. So I took the long because like I saw 15 minute like, so we make look at that, low, a bit high, and if we make another bit high, so okay, I think we can break this trend line from 4 hours, and then like I think this is just for it. But BTC I'm still bearish, but the other alts, I think I still can go like 4K maybe, but because like we still got like around here, we still got some area around here, and I saw some heat map around 4K. So I think before tomorrow we can get 4K, but not sure if today is not reach 4K and it's sideways. I'm gonna close it. But for alts, this is that's been lagging. Cosmos, I've been talking on my Twitter and TikTok. So Cosmos, be careful, guys. Cosmos is, look at that, look at injective. Try to make Dragonfly Doji. So if this close, so all right, next go up. And Cosmos is dangerous, guys, because like they got a lot of powerful coin like Cas, injective, Kujira Rune, Say. Look at that. Look at all the weekly is they all making like Dragonfly Doji. So if they can hold the price this week, I think they're gonna perform next week. So next week they're gonna perform, but the problem is we have to survive on non-farm payroll tomorrow, and on Bitcoin we have to survive on the new moon. But I don't think the new moon is going to play on Sunday because Sunday is holiday. So usually it only play during the weekdays. The market open. The stock market open. So I think the new moon will be play out on Sunday. So if I think this is gonna be like, I don't know. Let's see. I cannot predict anything right now, so I have to see tomorrow on farm payroll. And how about meme? I'm out from meme, but I still got my spot back. So don't worry. I got my spot back, and I'm trying to short some meme right now. I'm trying to do degen right now. So this is my dodge. It's still not hit my jackpot, but I'm trying to short right now with my teacher Garrett. So I think I can. I'm aiming like we are going to 0.1 for dodge, because like if you can see, or 0.12, because like if you see the weekly, first wave, second wave, third wave. So I think we can make the fourth wave, and then after that, the fourth wave. So if we got the fourth wave, that's your entry for bull run for Dodge. So be careful, guys. So this is your bull run entry for Dodge, in between like 1.5, 1.4, 1.2 cents, or even lower. So if I don't think we can go lower as one, maybe like around one around here, maybe we can. So if that happen, that will be like 786. So because this is 618. Right now, there's not much. There's not much AI. There's a lot of narrative on AI because my eyes is aiming on NFP because the iris already perform like crazy. So I'm aiming on NFP because this the one that's still not performed that well. So the next retrace, I think I'm gonna entry back on NFP, and I know the project. So this is daily, 3, third wave, fourth wave. That's my entry, and target is around this area, but or 368 around here. And what else do we got? I still got sats. Right now, I think meme is already like exit liquidity on meme. So it's kind of dangerous, guys, because I've been playing meme for over a month since early before Chinese New Year, because I told you guys I'm gonna gamble, I'm gonna do meme, I'm gonna do Chinese coin because I told you like a month ago. So right now I think I'm out, and I still got some position on sats. And what else? The one that haven't pumped, Sui. Okay, Sui. Watch out on Sui because I think there's gonna be like pump for layer 1. I mean because where is Sui? Where's my Sui? Oh my god. Look at so many coins. So sometimes I got confused oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna check on my FIP. I think I got my Sui. So I'm gonna share with you guys. So Sui, I think this Sui I'm gonna use weekly. So you're looking like look at the long legs and look at the scallops. This is the scallops that I've been talking about. This is like unperfect cup and handle, so I call it scallop. And look at that retest, and then holding here. And if this goes on the weekly, it's gonna be great. This is gonna be powerful, guys. Because look at that. Look at this candle. If this still like this, and then make it hammer, wow, that's gonna be great. Hammer break. Come on, man. You have to be through this. And my target for Sui, I still got around $3 until $4, and that's it. Thank you, guys.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Jay. It's very, very comprehensive. Yeah, because what you're talking about the meme, and actually we got a question which related to meme, so I guess we can directly move on this question and we can discuss it first. So let me share my screen here. Yes, that. Okay, here we go. So the question is, meme coins such as Dodge, Shape, and 𝗵𝗵 have recently shown really impressive performance. So are there any other recommendations in this category, or just to move on the next narrative?
Move on, guys. Move on. Really move on. Because I've been told you guys meme since February. I think that's done, man. That's done. If you want, you can get cheaper, but not now. Not now. I'm agree with the boys. Not now. Right now, everything is expensive, guys. Don't buy it, meme. Don't buy. You're only gonna be exit liquidity because I already quit some of my position. I bought it very low. If you guys in right now, come on, guys. You're gonna be exit liquidity from the other guys. To be honest.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
I also. Oh yeah, go for it.
Yeah, all the 1,000 rats and 1,000 Floki and all those, and the dogs of hats and the cats of hats. I think, yeah, this is getting too extreme, and There's gonna be. I mean, there's already been like I think a substantial pullback on Pepe and Doge.
Yeah.
So I think for now the rally is done on those. And yeah, I don't know what the next narrative is gonna be. But I think the meme tokens are gonna pull back for now.
Okay, gotcha. So, will you recommend just to take profits, or you can still hold some spots here?
I mean, I think it depends on the person's time horizon. So if
Uh-huh.
they're planning to hold for like a year, then maybe yeah, like take some profits now and then just keep holding. But if I don't know, if you're like a day trader or a swing trader, then probably right now is not the best time to enter. So if you're not
Yeah,
already in, then I wouldn't be going in right now.
yeah, that's right. Okay, so yeah, the meme season probably is not very hot, or you should um take prof. Oh, hey Lonnie, so you want to say something?
Oh yeah, yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
What's that? What's me of course?
Uh, yeah. I mean, like, I think right now is now a good time to buy meme, but in the bull market, I think personally, I think the meme will still be lit because um I personally thinking why in recently everybody, not everybody, some whales they buy the meme because um I found some like flows. If you see even like Floki, Pep, and another like Win, like Dog with Heads, so you can directly buy on the DEX, not on the centralized, exchange. Because I think um, people is really tired by uh by some like famous projects which backend by famous vendors. So if you go back to couple months ago, so when we like buying some purchase some tokens which like they have really good background, but when we purchase the tokens, you see the ventures and also the early like investor, they sell their tokens on the exchange all day. So the price is dumping, dumping, and dumping. And about the memes, the circulation is fully of that. So that's why some big whales they rather to buy meme coins because it's no it's I think it's less pressures.
It's easy.
Yes, much easier. So less pressures. That's why. That's personally I'm thinking. Yeah. So that's why in recently the meme coins is pumping so hard because it's not too much pressures. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I'm thinking. So back to the recommendation, I think um, a token named Win, WEN, probably have some chance. It's still early in Solana. What's more is Dog with Head, they're already listing on the banners, so I think we can waiting for the pullback. Um, if we compare Dogecoin, Shiba, and also the PEP, I will go PEP because the market cap is much lower than others. So still have some space.
Okay.
Mhm.
Thank you very much, Lonnie. Um, yeah, that is that is a meme question here. So let's do back to our first question, which is Willy Woo wrote on Twitter. So you think we are in a bull market or not? This has been the warm up. A full fundamentals driven bull market is marked by a break of the upper bull band. When it breaks, TradeFi is in for a shock. So do you think or agree with his idea? Some people believe that Bitcoin may currently be forming a temporary top. So should we consider selling a portion of our holding to secure profits? What do you think, guys?
I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, we are in the bull market and we are right now at phase three. So phase three usually the big cap outs, the big boys. So if you can see layer two, AI, and big cap means. But the weird thing about this cycle, like meme supposed to pump at the end, but since we got the pump from the phase 2 since October, and meme has been lagging, like pump 10% and then down, pump 50% and down, because like I've been trading meme since October, Pepe, Doge and other, and I keep getting trading stop. That's why like I'm sure like the February, the last month, I think meme is going to party, but the one that I'm not expected is Bitcoin, like joining together with the meme together, and that's kind of weird, guys. This is like the first time for me, like since first cycle. I never see some, this kind of behavior on the market. But yes, we are on the bull run for sure. And right now, so phase 3, so your target is big cap, like 100 and 200 cap. So the phase 4 next time, all the shit coin, like like the low games, but I think still long, guys, after the halving. So what you guys thought, guys? Anyone?
Yeah, I agree with Jay. We definitely are in the bull market. Like, I mean, what I was thinking was normally like we do get like quite a big pullback before the halving, but there's so much more money inflow into the cycle than the previous cycles because of the ETFs. So it is a little bit different. But yeah, we definitely are in the bull market. But in order for buying like spots on some coins, I would like, if you don't have any crypto, I would suggest just waiting for a pullback. Even let's just say we pump to like 80K within the next 2 weeks or whatever. There's still going to be a pullback after that. So you just have to be patient for that. But yeah, we definitely are in the bull market.
Yeah, thank you very much, Dylan and Jay. So will we definitely have a pullback before Bitcoin halving, based on your experience?
Normally we do have a pullback of like 20 to 30% of the market, but I don't know, this cycle is different though, so it's hard to say.
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Boris, do you want to say something about this question?
Yeah, I mean, I definitely think we're definitely in a bull market, especially looking at the altcoins. And then, yeah, I mean, at these levels, with Bitcoin at 60 to 69,000, you should definitely be, taking some profits off the table. And because, in case you have like a deeper retracement below 60 and we go back down to maybe 50, and then maybe attempt a bounce from there. But I think for sure, a lot of tokens have pumped like 50, 100%, some 200%. And, Bitcoin has had, since last year, it has pretty much tripled from, I think it was like 20,000 around this time last year. And now it's at over 60. So that, that is definitely bullish for me. But yeah, at the same time, definitely, if you've been holding Bitcoin since last year, it's a good idea to take at least like 20, 30, or 50% profits, and then just keep holding on for the rest.
Yeah, thank you very much, Boris. Actually, personally, I have one question. So, are we in the beginning phase of this bull market or already in the middle stage?
We are in the middle because I've been bought since the last year. I mean, like the bottom of Bitcoin when it reached 15. Like when people like thinking like, oh, we can go like high or lower as 10K, 8K. I've been buying. I bought Sol for 8. I bought Render for, I don't know, like below 5, or I don't know, I forgot about that. I bought Injective. I bought like Links below 6. I remember Links so bad because Link capitulation so bad. So we are in the middle, but doesn't mean we can go back there. But so the problem now, I got one probabilities that if they can make triple bottom now, why they cannot make triple bot? So that's my question, guys. Like so they can buying hard right now. So the problem is, what if they selling? We can make triple bottom on Bitcoin, right? That's possible, right? So I don't. Anything's still possible, guys. That's why like tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday is still so important, guys. That's why like, but right now I have to tell you guys, money phase yet. So if you buy after the halving and then like pump, so that's dumb money, guys. That's dumb money. So that's too late. But right now, still early, I think. But not that early. We are in the middle, I think. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Jay. I remember yeah, I remember like 4 months ago Bitcoin was 29,000. Yeah, probably is I remember was that number. So as we are probably already in the middle stage, and my question is, so after this bull market finished, so will Bitcoin back to like 29,000?
We have to see. We have to see what happened on New Moon and NFP, because like I told you guys, this week is Judgment Day. So the trend is gonna. We can know the trend by this week. By the I think no, by Monday. By Monday, New York Open, we can know. Are we gonna dump?
Yeah.
Are we gonna pump? We can know. So if we pump and we hold above 70, we're not dump. Okay, the trend is continue. Like the boys say, maybe like we can go as high as 80, but if we dump, so the number is a lot, guys. The number is a lot because like a lot of gap that we have not filled yet. A lot. So and a lot of stop loss. Let's say like we hit that stop loss, other stop loss, and then like we hit another. So God candle after God candle, guys. That would be scary. So I hope that's not gonna happen. But let's see.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Jay. Yeah. Okay. So we all know the ETF already approved Bitcoin. So what about Ethereum? So a debate on Twitter. Ethereum and Bitcoin are both up. Is Ethereum riding on the back of Bitcoin, or is Ethereum the best to play because the ETF is coming? So what's your points, guys?
Yeah, I think Ethereum is a bit undervalued relative to Bitcoin because Bitcoin already, went up to the all-time high, but I think Ethereum still has, considerable amount to go. Maybe I forgot the figure off the top of my head, but it's at least like still 25 or 30% to go before we reach Ethereum's previous high. So I think we might see some profit rotation back into Ethereum, especially with like the ETF deadlines coming in I think in May. So like in a couple of months, I think there might be like some euphoria and maybe some hype around the ETF narrative. It's just the problem is I don't think the odds of approval of the Ethereum ETF are as high as Bitcoin's was. So, we'll have to see what kind of language comes from the SEC in terms of the odds of approval. So if the odds start to increase, then perhaps we will see Ethereum start to take the lead and outperform Bitcoin.
Yeah, totally agree. Thank you very much, Boris. Um, Jay and Dylan, what do you think about this question?
I mean, yeah, personally, I think that, yeah, that could have been the reason. But what I like to look at is the Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance chart. So, also like the Bitcoin dominance chart. If Bitcoin dominance starts to go down, then Ethereum and all the altcoins start to rally. So, I mean, it could be the fact that the ETF of Bitcoin had an effect of, the potential rise of Ethereum. But yeah, personally, I'm mainly more look at what the dominance is doing compared to Ethereum and all the altcoins.
Okay, thank you very much, Dylan. Jay, you wanna talk this one?
Yeah, I think Ethereum, because I think it's gonna be the best play if the Ethereum approve. But if Bitcoin approve, by my bet 80% it's gonna be approved, because like I think they're not gonna stop on Bitcoin. I don't think they're gonna stop on Bitcoin, and after it, I don't think they're gonna stop after it. So it, not 80, sorry guys, 90%. I think they're gonna approve it. So it is the best bet for now. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, we see that Tango is back to us. And Tango, hi, how are you?
Hi, Cheryl. Hi, everyone. How you doing?
Hi. Hi, Tango. So I'd like to stop sharing, and you can share your screen and
Yeah. I'm actually. Can you hear me well? There might be some
yeah.
background noise. I apologize for that. I had to run to a coffee shop because my power was down. Wasn't going to be reconnected soon. Sorry about that. It
No
was
worries.
just listening to the guys talk about the current cycle, the current bull market cycle for Bitcoin. That was the previous question, and also regarding Ethereum, the Ethereum prospects. I mean, regarding the just a quick rant about Bitcoin. I do believe, yeah, I agree with the guys that we're in the middle of a bull market right now. But for it to be a confirmed bull market, there has to be a new high, and we have to actually trade on new price discovery, new prices. So we haven't seen that yet. This bull market started back in September. Hold on, let me try to share my screen. Please. All right. You guys can see it.
Yeah.
Yep.
The monthly chart in real quick. So this bull market started back in September 2023, when we saw this bottom at 24,500. And we've been running it since. Of course, it's overextended, and it made an incredible parabolic move. And we are just retesting the all-time highs, but it's still this time. This bull market is different because it has a different variables and different fundamentals than the previous ones. We have the ETFs now, and so demand has increased considerably, and we are also going to have another supply haircut in half. So the fundamentals have changed. That's why I think it's the first time since Bitcoin inception that we've seen an all-time high, a new all-time high before the halving, because usually that happened afterwards. This is the first time it happened before, so that tells you that something has changed to what we used to see previous to halvings, which is one of the most important events on Bitcoin. So right now, I think, yeah, we definitely can retrace a little bit, even though it doesn't look like it wants to retrace. We've seen this volatility candle right here when we made the top. Lots of people selling, taking profits. Also, lots of longs liquidated, as well as shorts were liquidated on that day. I think it accounted for 1 billion. So, but look at that. I mean, that was like clearly a viable dip. I mean, it actually got bought. If you check all the altcoins as well, it was a great buying opportunity. So it looks like it wants to resume its uptrend. We're still in a bull market. I don't see signs of major retracements. So I do think we're gonna retest the all-time highs. Pretty soon, and we probably might even break. Also, have to manage risk up here. It's a bit high, so you have to always trade with a risk and a trading plan to avoid substantial losses. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My live? Okay, cool. So yeah, but I still think that yeah, the top is not in for Bitcoin, and we're probably gonna see a retest of the all-time highs pretty soon. So that dip was a buying opportunity instead of a change of direction. Um, we will be monitoring this, and we will be giving the community clues when we see a change of behavior and when we see actually a real top. But for now, at least for me, the top is not in. We're in the middle of the bull market. We probably, as that comment on that tweet said, we probably haven't even seen what's in store for the Bitcoin price right now. Ethereum also. Let's go back to Ethereum real quick. Ethereum has a more upside potential than Bitcoin does. It's been trading really nice since the bottom that we had. It was around here, September also. This was the bottom for this the Ethereum consolidation after the bear market that we had until January. No, actually it was June of 2022. So we're now on a bull market phase as well, but it definitely has more room to the upside than Bitcoin does. This is by all means is an undervalued product to me. Even though it's not the same use case as Bitcoin, it's actually considered a security, which Bitcoin is not. So that's gonna have more regulatory problems that Bitcoin does, in the sense of approving an ETF, which is it is already a conversation that's taking place, but it's gonna be different. But yeah, I mean, it clearly has demand. So if we analyze it from a price action standpoint, we're still early on Ethereum as well. We're right around 4K. Get the highs at 49. I'm sorry, 47.86. Actually, 48.79 is the all-time high. And it definitely has potential, at least for me, to break the all-time highs. And while we're gonna have to measure the move, but it could easily go up to 7K. So that's a feasible and potential target for the long term for Ethereum, but still looking bullish for me. So yeah, these are, and as Dylan said, I think we have to pay close attention to this product. This is something we really need to pay attention, which is Ethereum against BTC chart. As we can see, since September 2022, this has been the major trend line that's been in place, controlling the price down. So Bitcoin has always been in the driver's seat against Ethereum. We actually let me check this. We actually had 2 retests of this trend line, closing to the daily. We've seen one here that actually broke and actually tried to consolidate, but it couldn't, and then we broke back down. And then we had another attempt that was on February that actually got sold out again, and we're actually trying a third one here now. So I think we need to, for Ethereum to start dominating the market against Bitcoin, we need to see the consolidation here. Okay, sideways consolidation, and then it needs to go up. If that's the case, that will be a confirmed flip. So we're probably going to start seeing Ethereum being more dominant and money flowing into Ethereum against Bitcoin. But I don't think that's the case yet, because Bitcoin is still dominating. We have the ETFs, we have a lot of inflows. So I think Ethereum Bitcoin is still the dominant force of this market. And regarding the altcoins, and I'll just close with that, we're still seeing lots of great setups all across the board. We got this really nice dip buying opportunity. If you were prepared for it, you could have taken advantage of it. If you haven't, I wouldn't advise to buy up here just because you have fear of missing out or because you're seeing things going up. Rather just wait and see if we get new setups along the way that we will definitely have. We will definitely have our alt season. So yeah, market's looking really optimistic to me right now, and it's still very bullish.
Okay, awesome. Thank you very much, Tango. Thank you for your impressive sharing to us. Um, Let me share my screen here and continue to. Actually, this is our last question, which is about the GameFi token. And the question is, the GameFi token should not be overlooked in a bull market. So with Pixel and Axis already being listed on Binance, there are still numerous GameFi tokens with the opportunity to be listed on Binance. So which GameFi tokens have the most potential for a strong performance in the bull market? So what do you think, guys?
I think I'm gonna go because GameFi is one of my expertise. Also, do we? I cannot see the what we got in here. Can you zoom it? Like, is it possible to zoom it? Yeah, thank you. And then like, do we got Mavia and PYR? Mavia, Heroes of Mavia. So Pixel EXS is last season. I'm EXS last cycle and it's done. I knew it. C2X sucks because C2X used to be like Luna ecosystem and it's not good. It's not good. It's Korean. I don't like Korean project because Korean project is most likely is like kind of scam. Sorry to say. If do we got? I think we got PYR. Full Comforts, isn't it?
Okay.
If there is none in here. I'm sorry, there is none. So my pick is Mavia and PYR, and Wild Forest, WF. It's not. It's from the Ron ecosystem, which is from. It's the same with Axie. So the new same with Pixel also. So I don't think Pixel is going to go because I play Pixel and it's kind of boring, guys. So when you play the game and it's boring, so it's not gonna stay that long. So yeah, but my first target is on Mavia, Heroes of Mavia. So Google it, guys. That's it. How about the guys?
Hey Jay, what's your thoughts on Illuvium?
Whoa, that's good, man. That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot about
yeah.
Illuvium, ELV. Yeah, that's good, man. That's good. That's
Yeah,
good.
I played
Yeah.
it. It's actually quite good. Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot, man. I also bought the disc, so I forgot to mention it. Yeah, but the problem is it's too expensive right now, man. It's too expensive. I used to bought it below 50,
Yeah, I
and
know it is.
but right now I don't think it's a good price. So I think if we can go as low as 80, Illuvium is. I think Illuvium can go high. Yeah.
Yeah, as well. I agree.
Yep.
Yeah, I agree with Jay, Mavia as well. But I'm trying to just give me a minute here. I want to see my tokens. Which ones?
You guys seen AXS has a really nice chart setup. It broke out of a falling wedge like a month ago. It's been trending higher.
Yeah.
From a price action standpoint, it's still looking really good. I haven't checked all these other tokens. I'm not sure which ones are actually trading, but yeah, I like the AXS price action.
It is. It is. I still got my EXS since October. I still running it. Yeah, you're right. You're right. But the other that we mentioned is a new token. So we still don't have the data. That all still like nothing. But EXS still good. It's still good. I think we got like falling wedge. Yeah, you're right on the weekly. It is.
Is there any Jay? Is there any project where you can earn tokens while you play?
Yeah.
Like because that's something that will be interesting. Like
Yeah, the one that I
used to
mentioned.
play World. Yeah, because I used to play World of Warcraft back then.
Mm-hmm.
And I spent lots of hours grinding, and farming.
Mm-hmm.
But just for the sake of gaming, right? But imagine if you can actually employ those hours and you can actually make money out of it, like make some money out of it.
Yeah.
That would be,
There's gonna be a lot.
That would be amazing.
There's gonna be a
Yeah.
lot, man. That's going to be my bet is on Gala. They got Mirandus, so that's MMORPG. Like I also play Warcraft. I even play Dota. I know every game, guys. So yeah. So for MMORPG, like the one that you mentioned, like World of Warcraft. So my bet is on Gala Games. There is some game that I haven't launched that it called Mirandus. So check it out, guys. So you can play, earn the token, and you can earn the NFT too, and then the NFT you can sell into it or Gala. So you can earn, guys. You also can earn, Tango.
Nice. But I'll ask you for a couple of those names later. So I'll check them out and I'll try to
I'm gonna
try to
tap
play
it.
the game.
So that's
See.
I'm tap it for you. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Tango.
Nice. Thanks.
Yeah, that is really something. Yeah, actually, the first time when I know that play the game and can have the airdrop of the tokens, and I'm surprised. Yeah, that's the charming of GameFi, I think. And yeah, thank you very much. So about this question, anyone wants to add more something?
Do we have time? I think I'm gonna mention like about FTT because like we got major news. I forgot to mention, guys.
Yeah.
Can I share my screen a bit? Okay. So can you guys see? So how about now? Can you guys see my screen? Yeah. So right here, we got the SBF and Dokwan this month 25 28, and you know this is gonna affect FTT and Luna token, guys. But the problem is because I longing next week I mentioned about Luna, right, and FTT, they pumping, but the pumping is I don't think the pumping is liquidity, exit liquidity, because I can see like they pumping because like driven by that news, because like if that news, let's say like Dokon and SBF got sentenced, like like a real sentence, and then like I think this token is going to be pumped, because right now this token is not even like layer 1 anymore. This token is they already become meme, guys. They're useless right now. They're worse than meme. They're like a hell token, because like they've been a lot of people like rug pull on here. So I think we cannot be worried about Luna and FTT. But if let's say Bitcoin dumps and they perform alone, maybe like on the weekend, so we have to be worried, because like if I see in here, look at the blue line, Bitcoin dumps, Marubozu on 4 hour, and then and look at them, they just like, okay, they dumb, but usually like alts or meme like dumb bigger than the big boys, right? But they're holding really well, if you guys see in here. So that's why like I still like tracking this shitcoin, if they can, because like the correlated is real, guys. If they pump, I think like Bitcoin is going to be done, but I don't think they pump because of the liquidity exit, nah, because like about the news. But let's see on the weekend. So I'm gonna update you guys next week, I think, about the FTT and Luna correlation with the crypto market. Okay, thank you. I think I'm done, guys.
Thank you very much, Jay. We're really looking forward what's happening tomorrow, this weekend. Yeah. And our guest, Jay, oh sorry, Boris, Tango, and Dylan want to discuss more about our today's topic.
No, I'm good.
Yeah, I'm also. Just for tomorrow NFP, what Jay was saying, yeah, just people should watch out for that. If they are day trading, they shouldn't be trading during that time. But yeah, just watch out for NFP tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, I have nothing else.
Okay, great. So we're gonna to finish today, and thank you all for joining us today. Be sure to keep an eye on CoinW and or esteemed guests. Follow their Twitter account as I will continue to share the really valuable insights on the world of crypto. And the Boris, the Twitter account of Boris J Beast, uh, Tango, and Dylan. And thank you for all listening. And I'd like to thank you everyone for joining this inspiring discussion today. And take care and see you next time. Goodbye.
All right. See you guys.
See you guys.
Bye.